Hi guys. We are going to run an experiment here that will help us identify some of the products of combustion. So let me quick identify some of the parts of the setup I have here so we can know what we're looking at. In the first test tube here, I have lime water. Lime water is calcium hydroxide. I've only got 4 milliliters of fluid in there, which I measured out using a graduated cylinder. I don't have too much in that tube because if we have too much fluid, the bubbles will eventually get up into the motor, and you'll see what I mean later, and will cause problems. So we want to keep that volume small. I have a mark on that test tube to help me see how far 4 milliliters is. In our second test tube here, I have lime water. In our first test tube here, I have a strip of test paper, which is cobalt chloride test paper. It's blue right now, and we'll see what happens. Again, because we want to control, I'm going to take a second piece of that test paper and mount it there so we can see if anything changes inside the test tube. I have a candle here. Let's light that. We want to run our experiment for 5 minutes. So I'll let my candle get started so it has a nice strong flame. Before I start my stopwatch, I want to start our pump. So I simply connect our wires back here. You can see bubbles happening, bubbles forming there. I'm going to start my stopwatch. Introduce that. Move our candle under our funnel. And hopefully we are drawing the products of combustion from the candle up through the funnel, through the green latex tubing, into our first test tube, continuing through our lime water, through our pump, and evacuating. Let's bring that a little closer so we can see what might be happening in our fluid.